YouTube channel, Super Boffins. Today we have... Okay, so I'll admit it, we aren't outside right now. I'm joined by an idiot.
Matt, the professor with a lightsaber. Wazoo.
He's adding back in post-production.
Oh, some rubbish editing there from me.
You look really proud of that one.
Yep.
Don't forget to look at the camera.
I am.
So we're not outside.
Just being outside is freezing!
Calm down.
It is, it's absolutely
Yeah, it's quite cold actually.
It's freezing. I was wearing gloves and now I was having like rubber gloves.
Yep, so we have been using GoPro knockoffs.
Mine was a proper GoPro. They're called GoPro though, aren't they? It says in the front GoPro. Oh no, yours says GoPro, doesn't it?
No, that's a HD. DB power. Okay.
Basically GoPros.
And cases and floaty handles. Yeah.
I'm not going to say what I was going to say.
Shut up.
Lightsaber! So we basically put an underwater case on a camera, stuck it inside one of those rubber gloves things, and filled it up with water.
Now, we only have time to react to the first video because we did 2 attempts. First one, we just let explode itself.
Are we going to do the inside or just the outside one?
We're going to do both.
We'll do both, but you'll see them set. Oh no, we'll do split
No,
screen.
you'll do split screen.
Yeah.
And so we have 2 camera angles. One which is outside of a balloon, which was shot with this.
And then another one which was shot with.
We have one which was inside of the glove.
Basically this, but without the floaty handle. So I put my camera inside the glove. My camera's pink. Where's my camera?
There.
It's pink. It's pink.
So yeah.
Sorry.
So they did explode. Now the second one.
Yeah.
Because it was quite slow, because we had enough of it waiting for them to explode, we used modified
Nerf bullet. We tried shooting it.
Nerf bullets.
We tried shooting
So
it.
what I've done with the Nerf bullets is
where's the proper one?
downstairs. I've taken scissors and like drawing pins and like shoved a drawing pin in the head of the dart. Matt is going to retrieve one of them now. And we shot that, and when I shoot it with my gun, it actually sticks into things. That looks really wrong. I know. But it sticks into things, and I'll show you a demonstration of that on the notice board later. It is very monkey themed, I'll tell you that much. And now we wait for Matt to come back. No, do not dare, do not dare, that would kill. That would kill, Matt, do not dare. Do not dare, Matt.
Ready, let's see what it does.
No, don't.
What did it do? Did it hurt?
Yes. Well, I've got quite a thick jumper on, but still. Yeah, we shot it with one of them. That didn't pop it. So we then tried to shoot it again with one of them. That didn't pop it. I'm going to show... So then what we decided to do was we decided just to kind of shank it with it. Here's a demonstration of what it does. Aim at the You've got it stuck in the lampshade. He has got it stuck in the lampshade. Well done, man.
Okay.
He's got it stuck in the lampshade. And now we do a demonstration on the notice board. So we basically...
I'm sorry, this is really terrible quality, but we were going to do it outside. Yeah. But then it started raining, so we couldn't webcam it.
Yeah. So
other videos will be outside, I'll just let you know that.
You can see a red dot on his face.
It's not loaded. That is. How long is it?
No one knows. Right, we're just going to watch and report in live time.
Right, press it.
Okay, so this is, in fact I'm going to start out one afterwards, but this is the view of getting a GoPro into a glove.
Let's just skip it.
It was really awkward, wasn't it?
Skip it.
Hi.
Skip it a bit until the water like starts.
Okay, so this is the point where we started putting water in.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you can see the glove a bit better. This is me fiddling with the glove.
Yeah. Oh, look at the glove. Right, this is actually the correct point, I think. So you can Yeah, I'm not sure if this is actually.
Because I think I was fiddling with the glove. It was while we were taping it on.
Yeah, that's what.
That point's where we were taping it on.
Yeah.
So if I just go down there, you guys.
Yeah, there you go. You can see water coming in. Look, you can see it shaking.
I mean, this might look a bit. Oh, plus I'm poking it, so I think we got it just right.
Yeah. That was me poking.
Is the water coming in?
This is the one where we didn't know if water was coming in or not, isn't it?
I don't think it started by.
Right, there we go. Now it came in. Now it started coming in because it fell off the hook. Yeah, I remember that now.
I don't think we caught up on this one yet.
No, we haven't.
I think it took a while. Wow.
Because a very long time to fill it up.
And this is when it falls off now because it's immensely still and then it's going to like have a fit.
Oh god. Yeah, so you can see Matt's camera in the left video.
Floating.
Just floating casually.
Now I'll just cut around the second one. Oh, there we go, water.
Yeah, there we go. Oh god, well, this is really far behind. Sure, isn't it? Okay, so this camera now has a wonderful view of fingers. And there we go, I think that's just about caught up. We can't tell. We have no idea whether it's in time or not.
Look at that horrible murky water.
Oh god. Oh god, I put my hand under it at this point. I wish I hadn't. I really. Oh no, it wasn't this point, it was later on.
You just let it genius. I got my lightsaber.
Yeah.
You can hear the sound from the other ones. Hit it up.
Sounds like someone's going to the loo.
It's that one.
And you hear us laughing a lot.
But look at it.
I know, it's humongous.
Ow.
And now music goes off because I realised I have some music playing in the background.
Now this is when it
Yeah, this is when it pops, right? So, we are quite fast. Oh, my leg got soaking at this point.
I got arms. But this is going to go off soon because it's reaching the end of the video.
Oh, God.
Because now you fondled it. Like.
Oh, God.
Oh,
hey!
Skip it back a bit.
The funniest bit was probably the GoPro just falling out. Really.
I'll have to slow it down. Wait, we'll have to slow it down. Okay, so make sure to tune in next week. This will be recorded every Tuesday and probably posted Friday to Sunday time. No
Depends
guarantees.
how long it takes us, Matt.
We were meant to record it outside, do some sillier things, but it just turned out really bad. Weather, it's gone dark, so I need to go soon. So.
Now. And now we have a party! Da, 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 da.
Right, it's recording now.
There we go.
this camera. It's like daytime, I've got to be honest. Quite a bit. I don't know, check it. Phil, hold it. I have to hold it.
Oh my god! At least under the cap.
That was on for 3 minutes? Oh, no, it wasn't. It was. Apparently my other one was recording for an hour. So do I. It is filling. Have you got any bricks we can make the tub higher with? You might want to do that because it's filling urgently. It's falling! You might want to boost it up quickly. Okay, get the gun ready then. How full is it? I'm unsure which way up my camera is. Don't think it's facing down, I'll be honest. Quickly! Because I've got to hold it on because it'll fall else. How full is the box? Don't shoot it yet. Well, yeah, that's why I said don't shoot it. Okay, right, it's falling a little bit. When you're in... Shoot it! Do it! You missed! Fucking hurry up, or it's going to burst itself. Shoot it! Just shoot it! It didn't work! Poke it with a pin! Poke it! Poke it!
Shanked it!
Ah.
I shanked it!
Oh god.
Oh god.
It's still recording.
Yours
Oh
is.
my shoe!
Press one of the side buttons.